This is Maria. She is a web designer who lives in a big city in Vojvodina and cares a lot about healthy living. Maria buys and eats only organic or locally grown food. But that's not the food that you can find at every corner. Usually the only place in Serbia where you can find it is a big supermarket where it's often overpriced, or an open market where tradesmen claim they have organic produce. But how to trust them? This is Peter. He owns a small farm in Vojvodina where he grows organic vegetables. But Peter doesn't have his own shop where he can display or offer his food products to potential customers. Only way to sell and even reach the customers is through large supermarkets, where the pricing is determined by the supermarkets making a profit very low for Peter. But there's a solution for both Maria and Peter. OrganicNet, online social marketplace for organic food, connecting people who are looking for organic food to buy to trusted organic food producers in the local area and wider. As a producer, you can create your own profile that will act as your personal store. Have a certificate, show it on your profile. You take care of your farm and products in some special way. Let the world know your story by adding description and even upload images. You can add all your food products you want to sell. Just create your product listing, set the price yourself, and choose the delivery option for your customers. You can also tell the story about each product and spice it up with some cool photographs. Now Maria can easily find organic food on OrganicNet. By using filters, she can find exactly what she's looking for, and the system will recommend the farms and products in her neighborhood. But how to choose where to buy? On OrganicNet, users are able to leave references and ratings for each other. Now she can choose to buy from the best rated farmer. Through a private messaging system, they agree about delivery and meeting times. After the purchase, they both have the option to rate and review each other. Not only that Peter builds his reputation as a producer of good quality food, but through OrganicNet he also gains valuable feedback directly from his customers. But OrganicNet is a lot more than just a social marketplace. It is also a knowledge-sharing platform where users can find useful information aggregated from relevant sources all in one place, and share their know-how by asking and answering questions about any aspect of agriculture, which helps spreading the best practice learnings and accelerating business development. Now you're probably wondering, who is behind OrganicNet? We are Eton Digital, a design and development company from Serbia that builds innovative digital solutions with a focus on large social networks, e-commerce and collaboration platforms. We have know-how and capacity to build a complex platform that OrganicNet is. We have designed and developed dozens of similar platforms in other sectors. Some of them reached over 1 million users in just 1 year. We believe that OrganicNet is a disruptive innovation that creates a new market and value network that improves the organic food discovery in ways that the market does not expect. Social marketplaces with reputation management and location-based services like Airbnb or Uber are extremely popular and very successful on a global market, but there is no such platform in agriculture sector yet. OrganicNet will make organic food more accessible, opening up more possibilities for consumers and more business for producers. OrganicNet. Let's revolutionize organic food market.
Created using Powtoon.